This meditation is brought to you by Fe Pacheco, creator of the ScalarPrana Method. Copyright 2024.
Gently close your eyes. Inhale, exhale. If you are a ScalarPrana practitioner, do your scalar breathing. If you are not, I'm sending you scalar energy. Inhale, exhale. Be still and be aware, and quiet your mind. Open your heart to this present experience. And we thank the Supreme Being for divine blessings of peace, light, love, and healing. Inhale deeply and allow this sacred energy to fill you. Exhale slowly. Release any tension or distractions. Let go of lingering thoughts about the past and release any expectations for the future. Inhale, feel and absorb the healing energy. Exhale, and sink deeper into this moment, fully aware, right here, right now. Imagine your thoughts as leaves on a river, just drifting away, as you embrace the tranquility of the present moment. Gently remind yourself that enlightenment is not a distant destination. It is not a distant goal. Realize that this exact breath, this perfect moment, is enlightenment. All you need is to be aware of the present moment, recognizing that you are here, fully present. Experience a deep stillness blossoming within you and radiating around you. Notice life flowing through your body, the steady rise and fall of your breath, and the quiet rhythm of your heart. Feel the vibrant energy flowing through you, alive and present. You only need to be here, now, simply experiencing. Realize that enlightenment is not a destination. It is the peace, clarity, and truth already within you, waiting to unfold, to manifest. Inhale. Feel the essence of your being expanding. Exhale. Allow yourself to relax completely into this truth. In this state of pure awareness, enlightenment is right here. Inhale. Feel the simplicity and beauty of this moment. Exhale. Let go of any effort and allow yourself to rest in the essence of your being. Remain in this deep stillness and simplicity, letting your awareness expand with each breath. Inhale. Feel the limitless potential within you. Exhale. Express gratitude for this sacred connection to your most authentic self. Every breath and moment presents an opportunity to experience this peace. Inhale. Exhale. You know that each moment is the beginning of enlightenment. Simply bring your awareness to it. Now let us express gratitude to the Supreme Being for the light, love, and peace that has filled you during this practice. In full faith. Inhale. Exhale. Gently open your eyes when you are ready, and be aware of your energy field and seal the energy. So be it.